Today, my husband and I are going to be taking a look at this Vever electric tiller. In this video, we're going to show you what comes in the box, demo it for you, and give you our honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are our own. It comes packaged very well to protect it during shipping. Inside the box, you're going to have the actual tiller. You're going to have the handle. You're going to have the support poles and the wing nuts, and I'm going to show you how to put this together. You're also going to have the instruction manual. The screw has a square that sets inside of the hole. The hole on the inside is square. Then you're going to attach one of the side pieces and tighten it down using the wing nut. Once you have the two side pieces on, you're going to attach the handle to the top part the same way that you attach the side pieces. This is so easy to put together. I am very impressed.
We're going to freshen this dirt up today with this tiller. It does have a little safety on the cord there, like a protector for the plug, which I like.
The Vever electric tiller is extremely lightweight, easy to put together, and easy to use. When dirt gets compacted, it does need to be aerated, and this makes it super simple.
Look at the freshness on that dirt from this little tiller. So you push the button first, and then hit the go button.
If you are looking for an electric tiller, we would highly recommend this one from Vever. You can see a distinct difference between the left side that hasn't been done yet and the right side. It freshened that area up so nice. Who needs mulch?